Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make changes to the chart of accounts, either create a ledger, delete a ledger, modify a ledger, disable a ledger. So what you do is you click on accounting and you scroll down to either here, the accounting masters, and select chart of accounts, or if it's on your shortcut you can select it here. So here, this is a typical chart of accounts. So for example, you can expand all to see all the ledgers under each of the accounts. So for example, if you want to create a ledger under, for example, your bank account, you want to add a new bank, you just need to click on the parent folder, which is bank accounts, and click on add child. So here we can put in a bank. So for example, if it's Polaris Bank, here you can put in the account number. That is if your chart of accounts is the number type, but for this one it's not numbered, so we can leave that. Here you can specify if it's a group or not. Please note that if you select it's a group, you won't be able to select it in transactions, but you can create child accounts under it. Here you can specify what account type it is, so we'll specify that this is a bank. You can also specify the currency. So for example, if this is a USD account, you can set that at the point of creation. It's important to set it at the point of creation before you start posting transactions. So once you've put in that information, you click on create new. So right now the system is creating the account. So this is it here, Polaris Bank. Now for example, if you want to delete a ledger, and you can only delete ledgers that you haven't used in any transaction, so you just need to click on the ledger and click on delete. Okay, but this has transactions. Let me use this one. Okay, this, yes, so this doesn't have any transactions, so I can delete it. So I just need to click on delete and it will delete it, so it's gone off. Now if you want to, so for example, the account has transactions but it's no longer in use, maybe the account has gone dormant, or you want to create another account and that one doesn't serve the purpose anymore, you can select the ledger. So for example, if it's this, and click on edit. So instead of deleting outrightly, you can come in here and check this disable box and save. So what this means is that the account is technically still on the software, but you can't use it for any transactions, and you can always view, if you had posted transactions in it, you can always view those transactions, but you can't use it to transact in future once it's been disabled. So if we're back here, so we've added an account, we've edited, we've deleted, and you can always also change the parent account. So for example, if you want let's say administrative expenses to fall under stock expenses, or something else, maybe freight and forwarding charges to fall under your stock expenses, once you click on the ledger and you click on edit, you can come in here to change the parent account to what you want. So if you type in stock expenses and select and then save. So if we go back to the chart of accounts now, let's just refresh, we'll see that the freight and forwarding charges is now under the stock expenses. So basically you can make changes to the chart of accounts on this page. Thank you.